Marlon Nash, for someone that isn't a day trader and has a full-time job, should I even consider binary options? Dan?
So each individual is just that, an individual. So what might be right for some people, maybe long-term horizon. From a time perspective, you have 23 hours a day. You can trade when you want, how you want. Most traders at Nadex have other jobs, they have other responsibilities. Some people trade at 9 p.m. the Australasian markets. Some people are a big fan of waking up early, trading the close of the Europe and open of the US session. So it affords that opportunity, but again, with all trading, take your time, understand the risk when you get in. One of the great things about binary options, all of Nadex contracts, are the defined risk, and you can do them on a very short time horizon.